Hey there, my name is Ash Shukla. I am also known as Ash is Cash. Look, I like to say namaste and welcome to this webpage. For the first time ever, I am so excited to have you here because I have to tell you that for the first time ever, I'm introducing how does chakras exist in finances. And it has been an amazing journey for me. I have been in the financial world since 1994, and I came here from India back in 1989 with $20 and not a word of English. And I have been speaking and training for the last 5 years, and I developed this brand new program. And as I'm finishing up my book called Financial Chakras, and I'm doing this launch, and I figured why not do the launch with other speakers, other trainers, other authors who wants to make a bigger difference, who would love to share their message online to thousands of people and offline to hundreds of people, where you can have an offline audience and an online audience presence, where you can make a bigger difference by sharing your advice, your knowledge, your wisdom together. So I figured that why not do this and have a great time at the same time. So I'm having this throughout this year. Basically, I'll be talking about financial chakras and how does chakras exist in finance. And I know that chakras until now have been talked about. How do they exist internally in your body? How are these 7 main pinpoints of your body that by aligning them together, you can lead a happy, healthy, and harmonious life? It has been not only been talked about, but proven that it works. Because I know for a fact, because my grandfather, he's 94 years old. He does yoga every day. And he is leading. He has no disease whatsoever. He is, financially, let's say, stable. Okay? And he is all the time happy. And even at this age, he goes to India and comes back every single year. Now, that's a great example for me, and that's what inspired me to do this. Because I said, what if chakras exist in finance? I mean, wouldn't it be cool to see that how much happy, healthy, and harmonious life, maybe peace, prosperity, and happiness we could achieve by truly aligning our financial chakras? So for the first time, I'm sharing with the world how to utilize chakras, which is a study of alignment, and how to take numbers, which is study of basically finance, which is study of numbers, and how to take them together, put them together, and achieve total peace, prosperity, and happiness, and achieve this what I call total financial alignment by utilizing financial chakras. My friends, to achieve this level, I thought that why not share this message with others, authors, speakers, trainers who really who have a message and would love to share it together. Why not make a difference that's bigger than myself? Why not, truly help others who maybe has a yearning desire, underlying desire to make their life better, but don't know how? Well, that's why I created this exclusive platform for authors, speakers, and trainers who would love to come and take the stage. Whether you can take stage online utilizing Skype, or you can take a stage offline where you come live. Either way is fine. You are going to experience where you have hundreds of people offline and thousands of people online. How hard it is to organize that. So as it is organizing it, so I figured why not have you join us. If you're an author, speaker, trainer who is looking for an exclusive platform, one of the things we are not going to do on this platform is make it a pitch fest. We are going to make it a truly educational event where you can help others, make a difference in other people's lives, and truly help other people get to the next stage. Now, with that in mind, I want to let you know that there are 6 main speakers that we are looking for, and we are not going to repeat, because I don't want to have repetition too much in this particular event, and I don't like to have a pitch fest. Those are 2 hard fast rules that I pretty much follow. Now, these are the 6 type of speakers I'm looking for. First is yoga and fitness, health and wellness. This is the first category that I'm looking for. Second category is family and relationships. If you are a speaker who could speak on the subject matter of family and relationships, most welcome to fill out the form here at the below or here on the left. You see, if you are an empowerment speaker, you are somebody who truly want to inspire others, who truly has a great message to deliver, I would love to have you, and inspire others and really take them to the next stage. Personal and business finance. You know and I know that many businesses fail because of financial reasons. Many marriages fail because of financial reasons. So, many people fail because of financial mismanagement. I personally have been in the financial world since 1994. I've served younger clients, I've served elderly clients. I've served, since serving on both ends of the bargain, I will tell you the number one reason people are stressed, they feel anxiety, they feel totally insecure is because of financial matters. I mean, when you have financial issues, they hit you hard, they hit you home. So if we can help somebody make a bigger difference in their world by making sure that we can show them, maybe you can share a message about how to get out of debt or how to eliminate debt. Maybe you could think about a message of how to avoid bankruptcy. And of course, look, business owners would love to learn about how to do, raise funds. If you have one of those things available, we'd love to have it. I mean, one time I was sharing a message with somebody about how to, just pragmatic ways to save money. And as I was delivering this particular message, this person said, I'm 50 years old, until now I have never saved money. I made millions, but I spent it all. But now because of your voice, what you said to us, we are now saving over $1,000 a month. Think about that. That's a $200,000 difference minimum in their life. If we all made a $200,000 difference as 20 speakers, that's $2 million difference. That's just on a monetary level. Not even that's $2 million peace, prosperity, and happiness that we gave out because you came out and spoke with me. Look, that's what I'm looking for. Leadership and business development. You know and I know that business development and leadership is so crucial in today's world, especially if you're going to grow other leaders, especially if you're going to have the next generation come up as leaders who is going to carry this country, this world through and make it a better place. You know that leadership, without leadership, that there is no way that we could have a better lifestyle. If it wasn't for our forefathers, I mean your grandparents, your ancestors, who made a bigger difference in this world, I wouldn't be able to come here from India with $20 and no English and make it this far, would I? Well, that's what we are talking about here, is to make a difference in other people's lives. By making a difference, you can truly help other next generations to come. Business development. Did you know that 97% of businesses fail within the first 10 years? But yet, if you take a look at the population who is millionaire today, 74% of those people became millionaires because of entrepreneurship, because of business, because of their knowledge, their advice, their wisdom, because by working hard and proving to the world that their idea, their way of doing things, their way of leading a life, it truly has made a difference. And that's what made millionaires today. So why not give them a step-by-step instruction so that we can raise more of the millionaires in the world? And last but not least is giving the greater good. Look, giving is a greater good. You know that, I know that. Giving is a greater good. What do I mean by that? The last category I'm looking for is somebody who has a knowledge and expertise and advice, wisdom to share on to help nonprofits. To help nonprofits raise more funds. Maybe you have some help on give advice and knowledge on how can they truly come up from down in the dumps to moving forward. Whatever that may be, as far as nonprofits, I would love to make a difference in nonprofits as well. So my friends, if you are a speaker, author, trainer, if you are looking to share your advice, knowledge, wisdom, if you are truly ready to rock and roll in this event where we are going to have, for the first time ever, somebody talking about how does chakras exist in finances and how can we come together and make a bigger difference by having an offline audience and an online presence where we have hundreds of people offline, thousands of people online. Go ahead and fill out this form here on this page, especially here on the left you'll see a page. Go ahead and fill that out and I'll be happy to get in touch with you. With that in mind, I like to say namaste and thank you for joining us at this event. Thank you so much.
Hi, Becky Valenzuela. I'm a financial advisor with New York Life. Really appreciated Ash coming out to visit Women in Motion today. We learned a lot, especially about our financial chakras and the importance of planning, which I thought was a very valuable lesson for everybody here. So thanks a lot, Ash, and hope to see you again.